want to let you to inform the body, no, hindi po tayo nagpapaawa dito, no. This is just a mere parang consideration. I don't mind for humanitarian reason. I mean, I don't mind. Ako so far in the past 2 Congress, perfect attendance ang inyong lingkod. Never been late, never been absent. Sino ba naman gusto umabsent dito? That's why I want to be online. During our last session, I attended. I tried. Pero namaga yung paa eh. So it's okay, Mr. President. Kahit na mabulok yung paa dito, no problem. Para sa bayan.
Concerning a member of this chamber with medical devices, apparatus, and apparently under rehabilitation, Mr. President, is he really required to be physically present?
There will be good days, I assume, and there will be bad days. On good days, I'm sure he will attend. On bad days that he really cannot, all he has to do is to inform us without need of questioning his or any one of our members' motive or intent in not being able to attend.
Yes. Mr. President, I join the sentiments of our dear colleague, the gentleman from Sorsogon, 2 weeks ago, in the opening of our session, Mr. President. This representation made that motion, Mr. President, that while our good colleague, the gentleman from Cavite, underwent surgery, and it's not a simple surgery, Achilles heel is a major injury. And we made mention that Senator Revilla can participate online while he regains his mobility.
You're not bedridden. Are you in coma? Are you in coma? Are you in coma? Hindi
Wag na pare. Bastusan na tayo dito eh. Nire-respeto kita.
Don't do that to yourself. We're rules-based. Hindi na pwede kasi dapat unanimous consent.
A few moments later.
A point of inquiry, Mr. President. The Senate President mentioned unanimous. May I know what is the correct answer? Because I look at section 121 on the suspension of the rules and I get the impression that the motion is to be approved by a majority of the senators present, there being a quorum. So it's not unanimous consent, Mr. President.
Yeah, I know. I must have been mistaken. I must have been mistaken. I must have been mistaken. It used to be unanimous.
Yes, Mr. President, and the gentleman is correct that when it comes to suspension of the rules, our section 121 states that it is approved by majority of the senators. Thank you, Mr. President.
So yun mga boss, bukod sa pressure ng People's Initiative o ang sinusulong ng Kamara na Chacha, at dito nga sa PDEALEX investigation na ginawa dito sa Senate mga boss na tungkol nga kay PBBM, at ito daw talaga ang totoong dahilan kung bakit pinalitan bilang Senate President itong si Mix Zubiri mga boss no, na ngayon ay si Chis Escudero na ang bagong Senate President mga boss. So hindi nagkasundo ang mga senador mga boss no, dahil nga dito sa hindi pinayagan ni Miguel Zubiri itong si Bong Revilla na mag-attend online mga boss. At sinabi niya hindi reason yung nararamdaman ni Senador Bong Revilla dahil nga sa mayroong operation sa paa itong si Bong Revilla mga boss. So ano sa palagay niyo mga boss? At ito nga daw ang totoong dahilan. Anong masasabi niyo tungkol dito sa pagbaba ng pwesto o pagpapalit nila ng pwesto bilang Senate President dito nga kay Miguel Zubiri?